Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a border around the image only on hover. So now here you can see there is a border, but we want this border only when someone mouse over on this image. Let's log in into our website and now let's go to dashboard. Now let's click enable field builder. And now here you can see page builder is loading. After that, now let's click on the image setting, then go to design tab. After that, click here border. Okay, now we have 10 px border. Let's remove it from here, and after that here you can see cursor option. Now click here and then select hover. After that here add a value 10. Now select a color, then click yes. After that click save. So now here you can see there is no border around the image. Now let's refresh the page and let's hover on the image. Here you can see now image has border only on hover.